Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix you have been denied permission to access the folder fix. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all I want to open this folder like this Windows apps. So open it. Now you can see that error will be shown. You do not currently have permission to access this folder. So click continue to permission to access the folder. So how can fix these issues? Go to your continue. After that you can see that to gain access the folder we'll need to use the security tab. So click on a security tabs, go to your security and click on advanced. After doing this tab, click on change. After doing this tab, type your admin name, Windows admin name. If you do not know the admin name, go to your settings. Now here is a admin name. Now in my case is a HP. So I type HP. Click on check names. Now you can see that after doing this tab, click on OK button. After opening that you can apply. Click on OK button and click on OK. Click on OK and close it. After doing this tab, now open it. Click on OK. Now you can see that this folder will be opened. So this is the way to fix this type of error. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.